Ever wondered how to serialize your favorite pets in GoLang? Let's talk about struct tags for cleaner code. In today's short and fun video, we're going to see how struct tags in GoLang can help us serialize and handle data. And what better way to demonstrate that than with cats and dogs? Let's dive into struct tags and see how they make things cleaner, especially when working with JSON. Struct tags in GoLang are annotations added to struct fields. They help control how libraries like JSON handle those fields during serialization and deserialization. Here's a creative GoLang struct featuring our friends cat and dog. Instead of using boring field names like name and sound, we can use struct tags to control how these fields will appear in the JSON output. Let's add some tags so that our JSON looks even cooler. Now let's see how struct tags work when we serialize these pets into JSON. We'll take a playful cat and an energetic dog, convert them to JSON and see the magic. Here we've created a cat named Whiskers who loves laser pointers and a dog named Buddy who can't get enough of his ball. When we use JSON Marshall, they're converted into neat structured JSON. Instead of having the GoLang struct field names in our JSON, we get more readable lowercase names like favorite toy and sound thanks to struct tags. Here are some quick tips when using struct tags. Consistency. Always use consistent naming conventions in your struct tags. Document your tags. If you're working with a team, document how you use tags to avoid confusion. Use only when necessary. Don't overuse tags. Use them when they make your output cleaner or more readable. And that's it. Struct tags in GoLang are a fun and easy way to control how your data is serialized. Whether you're working with cats, dogs, or something else, struct tags keep everything tidy and well structured.